core system libraries failing because of the Srrstr library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. I've linked the primary utility for Srrstr library in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the Srrstr library, the System Restore UI Resources library. It houses the localized string tables and localized icons for the System Restore wizard, rstrui.exe. It manages the localized visual representation of available restore points and localized system health manifests. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This error typically involves a protected Windows system file. Open command prompt with administrator privileges and run sfc/scan now to verify system integrity and restore damaged files like Srrstr library DLL. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Srrstr library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Warning: many online repositories provide versions of Srrstr library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally malicious. Trusting these sources puts your privacy at risk and often fails to solve the original error. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing Srrstr library and maintaining system stability. To support our technical team and receive updates on Srrstr library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.